Let's modify hardhead.config.js file. Let's open up the project in VS Code or your favorite editor, delete greeter.sol smart contract inside the contract folder, and attach the deploy.js script inside the script folder. So this is the latest version of hardhead. So we have log.sol. So let's delete it, and in a script we have deploy.js. Let's delete it also. Okay, the next step is to connect hardhead to the Polygon Mumbai. Open the hardhead called config.js file contained in the root of your project, and inside the module.export object, copy the following code. Now let's copy it and paste it here. Okay. When we deploy our smart contract, we'll also want to verify it using Mumbai Polygon scan. To do so, we'll need to provide hardhead with a ether scan, or in this case Polygon scan API key. We'll grab the Polygon scan API key later on. For the moment, just add the following code in the hardhead config file. Let's just add it. Uh, just copy complete file and just paste it here. Now the configuration file is ready. Let's start deploying the smart contract. Sorry, now start developing a smart contract. NFTs with on-chain metadata. Develop the smart contract. In the contract folder, create a new file called chainbattles.sol. Let's create a new file in the contracts chainbattles.sol. As always, we need to specify the SPDX license and define the pragma and import of couple of libraries from OpenZeppelin that will need to use our smart contract. Let's copy this line and just paste it here. It's not copied correctly. Let's copy it again and paste them here. Okay. So let's save it and save it also. In this case, we are importing the ERC URI storage contract that will be used as the foundation of our ERC21 smart contract. Here it is. The counters SOL library will take care of handling and storing our token IDs. That is. The string SOL library implements toString function and convert data into a string, a sequence of characters. The base64 library that we have seen previous will help us to handle base64 data like our on-chain SVGs. Now let's initialize the smart contract.